Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best steam cleaner in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading steam cleaner that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So, without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop, your ultimate cleaning companion. This versatile floor steamer is perfect for tile, hardwood floors, and more. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop uses the natural power of heated steam to clean your home. It's a perfect choice for homes with children and pets, providing a safe and effective cleaning solution. This steam mop heats up in just 30 seconds, making it incredibly convenient for quick cleanups. Use it on hardwood floors, tile, carpets, and even laminate floors. A measuring cup and funnel are included for easy water filling. Detach the handheld steamer for versatile cleaning. Use it on clothes, upholstery, sofas, and drapes. Its lightweight design makes tackling stubborn wrinkles a breeze. Just hang your clothes and steam away. The mop head swivels to reach around and under furniture effortlessly. The collapsible handle and washable mop cloths make storage and maintenance a breeze, keeping your cleaning routine efficient. Comes with a range of accessories including brushes, an angled nozzle, a scrape tool, a steamer jet, a squeegee, a carpet glider, and microfiber cloths, making it a comprehensive cleaning tool for various tasks. In conclusion, so there you have it. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a fantastic addition to any home. Number 4. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner with a versatile 17-piece kit. This powerful multi-purpose steamer is perfect for various cleaning tasks, ensuring a chemical-free and eco-friendly solution. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner comes with 17 accessories, making it ideal for cleaning floors, kitchens, bathrooms, vehicles, and more. It adapts to all your cleaning needs with ease. Utilizing superheated steam, this cleaner effectively dissolves dirt, grease, and grime quickly. It's a powerful tool to keep your spaces spotless and sanitary. Enjoy a safe and eco-friendly cleaning experience without relying on harsh chemicals. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner disinfects and kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this steamer is perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Its compact design makes it a handy tool for any cleaning task. With up to 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill, you can tackle deep cleaning sessions without interruptions. It's perfect for thorough, uninterrupted cleaning. In conclusion, so there you have it. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a fantastic addition to any home for eco-friendly and efficient cleaning. Number 3. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. This powerful, chemical-free cleaner is equipped with 23 versatile accessories. The McCulloch MC1385 uses hot pressurized steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from various surfaces. It's a safe and eco-friendly way to achieve a deep clean without harsh chemicals. With 23 accessories, including a floor mop, nylon brushes, and an angled nozzle, you can tackle any cleaning task. Conveniently store these tools on board or in the included storage bag. The 64-ounce water tank heats up in under 12 minutes, providing up to 120 minutes of steam. Variable steam control and a steam lock allow for continuous cleaning at 58 psi pressure. An 18-foot power cord and a 10-foot steam hose provide excellent maneuverability, reaching those hard-to-access areas with ease. Clean floors, counters, appliances, and more effortlessly. McCulloch stands by their products with a 2-year limited warranty and a dedicated customer service team based in Andover, Kansas. Invest in a product that promises superior performance and satisfaction. In conclusion, so there you have it. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner is a powerhouse for chemical-free, efficient cleaning. Number 2. The Kärcher SC3 Steam Cleaner, a multi-purpose power steamer perfect for deep cleaning your home. The Kärcher SC3 heats up in just 40 seconds, delivering steam over 200 degrees Fahrenheit to eliminate grease and stains. It effectively kills up to 99.9% of household bacteria and viruses without using harsh chemicals. Effortlessly clean a variety of surfaces, including stone, grout, vinyl, tile, and laminate floors. It's also great for removing water spots and fingerprints from windows and mirrors. Thanks to lamella technology, the steam is distributed edge to edge over the floor cleaning tool, providing a wider cleaning path and greater efficiency. The SC3 comes with handy attachments like a hand nozzle with microfiber cover, easy-fix floor nozzle, extension tubes, microfiber cloth, nylon brush, spotlight nozzle, and descaling cartridge, making it versatile for any task. With a flexible nozzle joint and two 20-inch extension tubes, this steam cleaner provides added maneuverability and reach for hard-to-access areas, ensuring a thorough clean. In conclusion, so there you have it. The Kärcher SC3 Steam Cleaner is a powerful and eco-friendly cleaning solution for any home. Number 1. The portable handheld steam mop. This steam cleaner comes with 21 accessories and is perfect for natural cleaning. This steam cleaner uses only water and produces high-temperature steam up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a natural way to clean, ensuring a healthier living environment. No harsh chemicals, just pure steam power for deep cleaning. Equipped with a 38-ounce water tank, it heats up in under 5 minutes. You get up to 45 minutes of continuous high-temp steam. That's plenty of time to tackle all your cleaning tasks without frequent refills. From nylon and brass utility brushes to microfiber mop pads and extension tubes, this steam cleaner has it all. The 21 accessories make it incredibly versatile, meeting all your daily cleaning needs with ease. Operating it is a breeze. Just hold the steam gun and move the button ahead. It has a built-in child safety lock and will auto-shut down if the steam pressure is too high or there's no water. This steam cleaner works on ceramic tiles, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, laminate, appliances, and more. It's your go-to solution for safe and effective cleaning throughout your home. In conclusion, so if you're looking for a powerful and versatile steam cleaner, this portable handheld steam mop is a great choice. With its natural cleaning capabilities and extensive accessories, it's perfect for maintaining a pristine home. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.